Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to disable the notification for caps lock or any toggle key notification. So go to settings and then go to ease of access. In Windows 11 it will be accessibility. So go to ease of access. On the left tab scroll down and select keyboard and then scroll down till you find the make it easier to type settings. So disable show a warning message and disable make a sound options. Both the sound and notification will be turned off for the caps lock or any sticky keys, toggle keys. Okay guys, this is a pretty simple solution for the problem. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.